Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, EngineStorage, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, I have a new gadget. So we are going to do a unboxing. So if you haven't checked my phone before, my Nuvia, so it's time to retire now. So after a year, I have a new gadget, my mobile phone, and because Christmas guys, I want to give my old phone to one of my family member. So Jax decided to buy me a new phone. So this is not a sponsor guys, disclaimer lang tayo, okay? So I have my Xiaomi 12 Pro T guys here from Xiaomi, of course. So I will unbox this. So guys, ayan yung box. What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so this is the Xiaomi 12T Pro guys, and it's a 5G connectivity, will vary based on local operator capabilities. So here guys, I got the Xiaomi 12T Pro Black, so 12 guys, and this one have a 200 MP ultimate camera guys. And baka naman, once again, this is not a sponsor, disclaimer lang po tayo, people of the universe. So now I will start to open my mobile. So here, so don't mind my nails, I got something in my nails. So here, once you open it guys, ito yon, Xiaomi 12T Pro. Okay guys, so once you open, you will see on the side Xiaomi 12T Pro. Nakalagay is with easy access to the Google apps you use most. So ito yung sa ilalim, which is the 12 gigabytes RAM 256 ROM guys. So nakita nyo, it says Xiaomi 12T Pro Black. So sa taas, wala naman. Sa likod, sa gilid. So I will start to open the box. So yung box niya ay so here, this is the box. So this is the box guys, and this is the Xiaomi. So ayan, so a lot of documentations. So here, designed by Xiaomi. Here you can see here there's a pin here for the SIM card once you open it. So this is the documentations. The documentations again of the phone, and then this one is the content documentations. So a lot of documentation, and I'll set aside first. So and a free silicone case at the back of my phone. So silicone case over here. And then on the other side, this is the mobile phone guys. I will set aside the other documentation. So here, this is the phone. So here guys, the mobile phone. And then this is the camera, which is 200 MP. Nakita nyo yung lens niya guys. So one big, two small there. And then here, so Xiaomi Pro, Xiaomi 12T Pro. They also have a Xiaomi 12T lang guys, without the Pro, but this is like much more good than the 12T. So it has a 12 MP ultimate camera, ultra wide and macro lenses, And then they also have a Snapdragon 8 Generation 1. So it's a ultra fast and power efficient with the 4nm chip and a smart 120 watts HyperCharge, which is a fast charging, and 500 Type-C long-lasting battery. So this is Type-C, guys. You can see here. So I think this is Type-C, the charger. I think this is the SIM card. You put your SIM card here. Put the SIM card. This is a HyperCharge. The last is the CrystalRes, which is 120 AMOLED display, dual speakers, sound by Armv9 Cortex. So let me open it. So I will set aside the mobile phone first, and I will check what is in the box. So the box here, we can see the cable. So this is the cable for the USB for the charger, guys. So you can see it's a Type-C. So it's a Type-C, guys. This is Type-C. This is Type-C looks like. So this is the USB for the charger. And then this one here. So Type-C, Type-C, and Type-C. Yan. So ayan, guys, Type-C. So I will remove it, and then on the other side, I will see the 120 watts, guys. It's bigger than it's bigger than all, I think same as my old charger of Nubia, but this is heavy, guys. It's very heavy. Looks 120 watts. So ayan, designed by Xiaomi. So ilalagay natin dito, guys, yung kanina nakita nyo. So ayan. So this is the charger, and then now the box is fully empty. I will bring it back, guys. Set aside first. So set aside. So here, let me check the phone. So I will remove the plastic. So on the right side, you can see here, I think this is the on and off, the power button, the power button, and the volume here on the side. You can see here, guys. Show you. Power button and the on and off. So open. Very smooth. And low bat. So that's it, guys. That's our unboxing of my latest mobile phone, which is the Xiaomi 12T Pro. So ito yung box niya, guys, na nakita nyo kanina na aking in-unbox kanina, guys, sa aking video for today. So nakita nyo kanina ang ating bagong new phone. So ito na siya, guys. So ayan siya. So, I will take it out the cover at the back. So, eto, guys, kapag bumili ka, they also have a free cover at the back. So, ayan na siya, guys. So, papakita ko lang siya, guys. Alam nyo, this is my old phone. So, ito yung old phone ko, guys. Ayan yung old phone ko. So, if you remember, guys, I unboxed this Nubia. So, it's a very good camera too. So, it's a, this is a good camera, guys. Ayan, nakita nyo siya. So, maganda siya, guys. Nakita nyo si Jax dyan. So, napakaganda niya, guys. Maganda to kasi I've been using this for, I think, almost a year now. And I think more than a year. So, maganda talaga siya guys. Ang ganda ng lens niya. And then kasi, kapag titingin si Jax, if Jax will look for another phone, gusto niya mas upgraded na dito sa phone na ginagamit namin. So, Jax have another phone also. Hindi kami same ngayon. So, magkaiba kami ng phone. So, this is the Xiaomi. So, this is the Novia. So, I changed it already because nga nag-crack siya. Tapos, pinalitan ko yung likod. So, ngayon, bago na siya. So, alam niyo naman guys, kapag bibili ako ng phone, ay na-inherit natin sa ating one of the family members. So, anyways, yung kay Jax kasi ngayon na phone na yung luma niya, binigay niya sa aking father. So, ngayon, I will look who will inherit this phone. So, maganda siya, guys, kasi Snapdragon yan. And maganda siya. I think 256GB yung memory niya sa loob. And wala akong complaint kay Novia. It's a very good camera. And I think it's like a 200MP camera, guys. So, eto na siya, guys. So, this is my latest mobile phone, which is from, of course, Xiaomi. Baka naman, this is not disclaimer, this is not a sponsor guys, as sinabi ko kanina sa inyo. So, eto na yung Xiaomi. So, this is a Xiaomi 12T Pro guys. Nakita nyo kung gaano kaganda. So, eto yung ano niya, oh. Ang ganda niya. Papakita ko lang sa inyo closely. So, ayan yung Type-C niya, speaker. And then, I think the SIM card is here somewhere. People, ayan ang SIM card, ayan. Ito yung SIM card guys. Medyo ilalike ko, ayan. So, ayan yung SIM card niya. So, anyways, ayan. Ito naman guys, I think this is the, I think 200MP rin also. So, ayan yung camera lens niya. Ang ganda ng camera lens niya guys, kung makikita niyo, ayan. So, ayan. So, ang ganda ng camera lens niya. So, eto guys, I will put the specs, the full phone specs in my description box down below and you can check it out. So, we bought this one in the Xiaomi store. So, maganda siya. And I think this one was just released 3 weeks ago. So, bagong-bago siya. It cost 34,999 peso only. So, malapit na siya mag 35,000 guys. And then, kasama yung fast charging. So, fast charging ang Xiaomi. So, this is not my first time using Xiaomi, guys. So, madami kami Xiaomi, if you remember. And, ayun na nga yung ating unboxing for today's video of my new mobile phone. Yes! So, this one have the 200MP ultimate camera na nakita nyo kanina earlier. And then, meron siyang leading Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 and ultra fast and power efficient 4mm chip, guys. So, nakita nyo din ang ating smart 120 watts HyperCharge. So, mabilis ang charging niya, guys, ha? Ayan, mabilis. So, yun na nga guys. Maganda yung camera niya. Maganda siya guys. Hindi naman siya light, pero easy and very compact naman siya. Ang ganda niya tingnan talaga guys. Hindi ko naman inaano ibang mobile brand, pero maganda sa akin ng Xiaomi. And since we have a lot of products of Xiaomi guys, okay. So, yes. So, this is my Christmas present from Jax, guys. You know, Jax is very generous when it comes in material and mobile phone. And since hindi ako makakabili ng phone ko from my budget because I'm saving a lot, so why not coconut chocolate? Thank you so much, Jax! So, anyways, guys, nakita nyo ang ating ultra fast charging, AMOLED display na nakita nyo ganina is 120 CrystalRes AMOLED. So, anyway, guys, that's the end of our Xiaomi 12T Pro unboxing for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos, and mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah. Ciao la.